we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of COOLMUSIC TS112 bass guitar amp, 30 watt, electric guitar bass combo. Powerful sound and versatile features, meet the TS112 bass amplifier. The TS112 bass amplifier is designed to deliver impressive, flexible performance for bass players of all levels. Featuring a combination of an 8-inch woofer and a 2.5-inch tweeter, powered by a 30-watt amplifier, this amp produces dynamic, rich sound with deep bass and crisp highs, perfect for small gigs, practice sessions, or street performances. Equipped with distortion control and a brand new tone switching circuit, it lets you seamlessly shift from clean tones to powerful, aggressive distortion, catering to any playing style. For private practice, the 1/8-inch headphone output allows for silent sessions by muting the speaker. The AUX input makes it easy to jam along with your favorite MP3 tracks, letting you play with a virtual band anytime. Compact yet powerful, the TS112 is ideal for electric bass practice, karaoke with friends, band performances, or outdoor playing. Its versatility and thoughtful features make it a great all-in-one choice for bassists on the go. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.